Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing it okay. Hey babes, today I want to show you guys what I've been using to get a gel manicure at home. So number one, you need to start off by getting a UV gel lamp. So you put your hand in there. I got this from Amazon and it does come with a little charger. So you need this for sure so that it cures the gel nail polish so that it lasts longer. Secondly, you're gonna need these, so base coat and a top coat. Got this brand Emilie, which is kind of one of the best ones that I saw on Amazon. It had a lot of good reviews. Then I got these gel nail polish from the same brand. So it comes with 6 different pink nail polishes, kind of nude, kind of like neutral everyday colors. So I'm gonna open them and show you guys what they look like. I was really surprised by the quality of the gel nail polish. It's now been a couple times since I've done it myself. Really impressed with this brand. So it was kind of hard to, you know, find reviews online. On Amazon, there was good, there was like hot and cold reviews, and same with on YouTube. But I wanted to show you guys my opinion and kind of how I've been doing my nails at home. And now that I've kind of ditched regular nail polish because I hate how much it chips off, I want to show you guys how these work and how good they are. Honestly, I've really been loving it, and I noticed that it lasts me for about a week. And that's way better than regular nail polish that before would last maybe 2 or 3 days if I was lucky, and then it would start chipping. So yeah, I really highly suggest this brand, especially if you're new. This has been a really good brand that I found as a complete noob. And also, once again, the base coat and the top coat are from the same brand, and it's really high quality. This one pack came with both of them together, so I did really like that. So I took a couple videos of what each polish looks like, show you guys a natural light, and there's a little quick tutorial of how I've been doing my nails at home. So let's get to it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also follow me on my social media, Instagram, Misha X Makeup, and TikTok, Misha X Makeup. Now let's see the tutorial. This is the final look of 3 coats with the shade 120. Base coat, 3 coats of the shade 120, and then the top coat. So honestly, like, I'm not a perfectionist. That's a lie, I am. But around the cuticles, it is a little bit rough. Like, it's not a salon quality type of look, that's for sure. Like, I'm not a nail tech. And this is literally my second time doing it. But honestly, they look pretty good. And the color is pretty much what I expected it to be. So it's kind of like a baby pink, very neutral color. So I'm gonna finish my next hand and I'll show you guys the final product together. But yeah, this is really nice. It's super high gloss and it literally stays like this till it's time for it to come off. Okay, so these are the final results of my nails. I really love this UV gel polish. Like I said, around the cuticles, it's hard and I'm not a professional, so it's not the smoothest, but this time I did a better job at actually cleaning up around the edges. I love that they're immediately dry afterwards. I still get like a little bit paranoid, but they're literally dry. So it's really cool. I love this, and it stays as shiny and glossy for as long as it lasts on your nails. Last time I did it, they stayed for about 1 week, and then it started to lift around the edges and stuff. But 1 week, no chips, nothing. It was literally awesome. So I'm super happy about this. If you are interested in getting this set, I would really recommend this brand, and I hope that this was helpful to you. Let me know what you think down below, and if you do want to purchase the same products that I got, the links will be in the description box. And that's all. Bye!